Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today in the vise I've got this 1100 clone. This is a SESAMEE, very nice lock, and this was given to me a little while back by Picksmith. So thank you for that, Picksmith. I have actually picked this on my channel before. Today what I was hoping is to get it open and then get a quick gutting video, because I didn't look inside of it last time, not on camera, so here goes. Hopefully we can get the open. I'm also using this pick as a custom pick, also made by Picksmith, work of art, called Peregrine. Copied from an actual peregrine falcon feather. It is an absolute beauty pick. There's that lock open. So just pop it in there. Right, I think I'm prepared for this video. I've got my bits and bobs handy. Screwdriver. Not as prepared as I thought. Screwdriver. Here's. Sorry about that. Do have a screwdriver. Yeah. I don't think I've ever actually been ready to do a video and had everything there. But there's the bits and bobs for that. So now we're just going to get this clip off the back of here, which, oh, let's lock that up. Make sure nothing's falling out the bottom of there. Didn't lose anything there, did it? Nope, everything's still in its place. So let's try and get this off here. This will be fun, because this never goes well for me. Oh, that was surprisingly quick. So yeah, that's the clip off there. I need that. I haven't got my glasses on. That's not a good sign. I'll get myself a shim out. That's probably the best one. There. Nope. I think I might be able to have to invest in some new shims. Not that too good there. Move that up. Can't really see there. So let's get the try that way. Sorry again, I'm not on camera. Let's get that shim in. And there we go. And those other pins there. So from left to right, one. Just get a bit closer so I can see what I'm doing too. Sorry about the camera mess. Two pins, serrated key pin, serrated key pin, serrated key pin, and the standard key pin there. There is the side of there, just see that. So let's see what I've got in here. And from the front, steel standard. That is a barrel. Now that's quite unexpected. There is a bit of muck in there. Little spool, and another little spool. So let's have a look at those. Yeah, I can just see that is standard serrations on those. A barrel there, I didn't expect to see a barrel in there. There you go. Way down, and 3 nice little spools. Oh yeah, there you go, that's what's inside of the SESAMEE. I'm going to try and get this back together without dropping anything, because I do have a track record of losing bits and bobs from locks, so yeah, we'll get sorted. Yeah, interesting. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you later.